Hey guys, way down in Tanzania, in my daily practicing experiences, I came across a beautiful song, a very beautiful song, and it happens to be a perfect example of crossing chords and crossing notes. My students, we've been talking about crossing chords and crossing notes. This song has a rich application of crossing chords and crossing notes. In this first level of crossing chords, you're going to really understand well. And if you have a piano there, please catch it up with me. Just join with me. And as I explain to you the chords that I'm going about, as I'm playing them, you can play along so you can get the feeling and the impact of crossing chords in song. So you can also replicate this in other songs. It has a limit. It's not limited to just this song. You can replicate this to other songs so you can be rich. Music is all about diversity. You need to have a lot of information so you can have a wide scope of what to choose. Enjoy this. One, minor two, 1/5, then 5, 1/3, minor 2, 5 sus4, 5 add 9, 1/3, minor 2, 1, 5/7, minus 6, 5, and 1. Good. So we do it again, starting from 1, 1, minor 2, 1/5, 5, 1/3, minor 2, 5 sus4, 5 add 9, 1/5, minor 2, 1, 5/7, minus 6, then 5, and 1. Good, so we're gonna fly to the chorus beginning with minus 6, then 5, then 4, 1/3, then 4, then 1/3 again, minor 2, 1, 5, 5/4, 1/3, 5/4, then 4, minus 6, 4 flat 7, 1/5, 5, 1. So we're gonna do it again. 5, 4, 1/3, 4, 1/3, 2, 1, 5, 5/4, 1/3, 5/4, 4, 1/3, 4, minus 6 over flat 7, 1/5, 5, and 1. We started over from the verse, starting from 1. 1 with the chords now. 5 sus4, 5 add 9, 1/3, minor 2, 1, 5/7, minus 6, 5, and 1. Okay, we can do the chorus minus 6, 5, 4, 1/3, then 4, 1/3, 2, 1, 5, 5/4, 1/3, 5/4, 4, 1/3, 4, minus 6, 4 flat 7, 1/5, 5, and 1. So with both hands, with the bass line, we begin from 1, minor 2, 1/5, 5, 1/3, minor 2, sus4, 5 add 9, 1 over 3 minus 2, 1, 5 over 7 minus 6, 5, and 1. You can do that again. 1 minus 2, 1 over 5, 5, 1 over 3, minus 2, 5 says 4, 5 add 9, 1 over 3, minus 2, 1, 5 over 7, minus 6, 5, 1. We fly to the chorus. Now, beginning from minus 6, 5, 4, 1 over 3, 4, 1 over 3, minus 2, 1, 5, 5 over 4, 1 over 3, 5 over 4, 4, 1 over 3, 4, minus 6, 4 flat, 5, 7, 1 over 5, 5, and 1. Okay, so now you can do it first. Have a good time and practice.
Yeah, if you wanna play like me, then you gotta stop being busy. And keep your focus on the black and white. 'Cause it's the reason you can hear me